Hello friends, I hope that you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty God. Today in this video I would like to say you something about the manifesto announcement program of BNP. Okay, so let's begin. The leader of BNP is Tariq Rahman. He arrived in this venue at 3:15 p.m. and so many leaders and representatives were present at the event and the country. Okay, so and also various media houses and member of civil society and diplomats of different foreign mission are also attended in this program. And the manifesto prepared under a slogan is "We will work, we will build the nation." It incorporates the 2030 mission announced by Begum Khaleda Zia in 2016 and 31-point program proposed by Tariq Rahman. Several key points of party's 19 program in 2006-18 highlighted in the new document, in the new manifesto. Okay, so what do you think about this? And you can leave a comment. And so many people, our people were waiting for the manifesto. There are so many parties in our country. They haven't delivered their manifesto in front of people. So people were waiting for this. Okay, and I made this video to improve myself, to train myself. Okay, I always try to build my confidence and my proficiency in English. That's why I try to make video every day in different kinds of topic. Okay, so after a few days our 13th parliamentary election will be taken place. Okay, that's why people are preferring their parties. Okay, so what do you think about your goal for our country? Okay, that's all for the time being today. Don't find my mistake, because making mistake is a part of learning. Okay, without making mistake, no one can be able to learn. Okay, so I read newspaper every day. That's why I try to share with you what I read. Okay, so I can make mistake. It doesn't matter. I will try my level best. It is matter. Okay, thank you for watching me. I will come again in front of you with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.